Let's compare. Let's compare. Compare. Do you say compare with or compare to? Maybe. It depends. What do the rules say? What do people say? Are you Shakespeare? Stack Exchange is where I go to help myself understand the answers. English has rules, but we don't always follow the rules. The discussions here show why. One reason we don't follow the rules is because Shakespeare. Shakespeare is one of our greatest writers, and even he spelled his name at least 6 different ways. So, what are you going to do? Okay, let's compare. Let's compare with, and compare to. What do the rules say? Here, the rules say compare with is about how things are different. To compare a dog with a fish. And compare to is about how things are the same. Songs compare freedom to flying. And then there's Shakespeare. Shakespeare is comparing his love to a summer's day, but showing how she is different. And Shakespeare breaks the rule. So what do people say? To understand correct English, the English that people use at work and in school and on tests, we need to look to compare at what people have written. To see how people know which to use, we need to look at specific examples. Ludwig Guru is a good place to start. Here are examples of compare with and compare to. Do they follow the rules? Put one finger on the rule. Put one finger on each example as you read it. Compare the rule and the example. Does the rule describe the way people use the language? Are there exceptions? What kind of exceptions are there? How would you describe it? Now tell us, when do we use compare with and when do we use compare to?